In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do Canva business. We'll walk through creating a market-ready Canva template, generating a shareable template link, and packaging it so you can sell it online. First, open your web browser and head to canva.com. If you're not already signed in, log into your account so your work saves to your dashboard. Once you're in, look for the Create button. Click it, then choose the type of product you want to sell. For this example, pick logo, so your canvas is sized correctly and you can browse relevant templates if you want inspiration. Start designing your logo. If you have graphics or brand elements, click Uploads, then Upload Files and select the image from your computer. Drag it onto the canvas and use the handles to resize and position it. To add wording, choose Add a Text Box. Type your text, then refine it by adjusting the font style, size, and color in the toolbar. Aim for clean, readable typography and consistent spacing. If you want a different vibe, click the background of the page, open the color picker at the top, and choose a brand color that complements your design. When your logo looks good, add a second page. This page will serve as your customer handout. A simple thank you and brief instructions, plus the template link your buyer will use to access and duplicate your design. Add a short message and include a line of text that will become your clickable link, like access your template here. Now generate that template link. Click Share, then choose Template Link. Select Create Template Link. This creates a special URL that forces a copy for your buyer, protecting your original design. Click Copy to add the link to your clipboard. Go back to your second page, select the text you want to link, open the three-dot menu, and choose Link. Paste the template link you just copied, then click Done to apply it. Confirm once more if prompted so the link is saved. Time to package your product. Click Share again and choose Download. For digital delivery, select the file type PDF Standard. This keeps file size manageable and retains clickable links, which is exactly what your customer needs. Click Download and save the file with a clear, descriptive name. From here, create more templates. Stay creative and research what's trending so your listings stand out. When you're ready, list your template on marketplaces like Etsy, local platforms, or your own website and market them with clear previews, keywords, and concise instructions. That's how you set up a Canva template for business.